Now in second video we will start our topic Roman numerals. As you know, in first video I have given you instruction for your fair notebook. Now the Roman numerals, these are the numbers which we write usually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the counting. Now in Roman numeral, how to write the counting? We can write likewise 1. We can write like this also 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. If you will write likewise, it will not be wrong. If you will write likewise, this also will not be wrong. Means in two methods, in two way, we can write in Roman numerals. This is the Roman numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now with the help of these numbers, with the help of these counting, now we can make further counting. Special numbers are there which have special symbols that I am showing you here. 1 for 1 we are using this symbol, for 5 this symbol, for 10 this symbol, and these are the same. For 50 we are using L, for 100 C, for 50 D, and for 1000 M. So these are the symbols in Roman numerals for counting, for numbers. So with the help of these symbols, we can make the numbers. Now some rules are here. With the help of these rules, we can write the numbers in Roman numerals. First rule is, if you repeat any symbol, then value is added. If we are repeating any symbol in Roman numeral, then value is added. Here, suppose I am giving you an example. Here in Roman numeral, I have written 1. If I am repeating 1 twice, then it is 2. If I am repeating thrice, then it is 3. Now, if I am repeating x twice, x is a symbol of 10. If I am repeating x twice, it will be 10 plus 10, it will be 20. If I am repeating C twice, then it will be 200, because 1 C is the symbol of 100. Double C will be the symbol of 200, means 100 plus 100. Means if we are repeating any symbol, then the value is added, 100 plus 100. If I am repeating thrice, 100 plus 100 plus 100, it will be 300. 10 plus 10 plus 10, it will be 30. But in this first rule, you need to see one point. In this, every number we can't repeat. Suppose I am writing 5 and 5, but according to rule 5 plus 5 should be 10, but it will be wrong, because for 10 already we have symbol this. That's why we can't repeat this V and V twice. So L thrice also. Every number is not necessary we will repeat in Roman numeral thrice, like L. According to rule, if we repeat thrice, then value is added. L is the symbol of 50. I have told you here. If I am repeating L thrice, it should be 50 plus 50 plus 50, 150, but it will be wrong, because for writing in Roman numeral, we are breaking the number firstly. So the right method to write 150 is 100 plus 50, and already we have the symbol for 100 also and 50 also. So now I will write 150. 100 is C and 50 is ahead, we have to write, means further of C, not backside. If we are writing backside any, like L I will write here, then it will be minus. If I am writing L front of C, it will be added. So CL will be the symbol for 150. So now others rules of Roman numerals we will discuss in third video. So students, now let's see the third video. Now students, in video third we will discuss the others rule. The second rule, symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Means any symbol we can't repeat more than 3 times. As I have told you in first rule, if we are repeating 1 1 1 thrice, then it will be 3. But if we will repeat it 4 times, then it will not be 4. It will be wrong. So symbol for 4 is 1I4. Likewise, this is the right symbol. So you can't repeat a symbol thrice. If I am repeating x thrice, then it will be 30. C thrice, then it will be 300. But if I will write x 4 times, then it will not be 40. It will be wrong. But 3 times all symbols can't be repeated, and we can't repeat 3 times also all symbols. That already I have told you examples L and in examples of L and 150 example in first point, first rule. Now third rule, if you apply any symbol left side, then it shows minus and right plus. Means suppose here x is the symbol of 10. If you will write one symbol left to x, then it will be minus. Means x is the symbol of 10 and 1 will be minus. We have applied 1 left to x, then it will be minus. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 is the symbol. We can write likewise also and like this also. Now if we apply any symbol to any symbol right side, like x is already written, if we are applying this right to x, means this 1 in Roman numerals it is 1. This 1, if we are applying right to x, x is already written, right to x we are applying 1, it will be plus. X is the symbol of 10. 10 plus 1, it will be 11. We can write likewise also. So this is the rule 3rd. Now we will discuss rule 4th. This is the most important rule. In this rule, we will come to know what we can subtract, which symbol can be subtracted or not. Now here I am telling you V5, L50, D500. These symbols never subtracted. Means these symbols we will never write left side of any symbol. Because if we are applying any symbol left side to any symbol, we are applying for subtraction, as I have told here in 3rd rule. If we are applying these left side to any symbol, then we will never use these for subtraction. Now I am telling you, here I have written V and right I have written V, right here V I have written. Likewise, if you are watching, here is the 1, V is the left of 1, but here we are not using for subtraction. If V is here, then we applied to V, right to V is 1. Then this will be plus in this. V is the 5 and 1 is, this is I is 1. Means 5 plus 1, it will be 6. So that only I have told you, the symbol V, L and D. We are never applying for subtraction. If these symbols will be left to any number, these will not be for subtraction. Say here I, V and X. I can be subtracted from V and X. I means 1. This is 1 symbol in Roman numeral. If we are applying this 1 to any symbol, it is means if we are applying this 1 to left side of any symbol, that is for subtraction. Now you can see here I have applied V is here. I have applied 1 left to V, then it is symbol of subtraction. It is 4. Ix, it is 9. You can say 1x, it is 9. So this is, you can see this, if we are applying left side, then this we are using for subtraction, and this V, L and D we are not using for subtraction. These will, anyway you will see, these will be for addition only, V, L and D, as I is for subtraction. I, C, but this I, if we are applying left to C, then it will be wrong. So here you have to see some exceptional cases, because every time we can't apply I to left or any symbol. Like here I am giving example, if we are applying here right to any symbol, then it will be wrong. X, L, M, C means X can be subtracted from L, M and C, as I can subtract from V and X. Just here I can be subtracted from V and X. Here I have told you, if I have written here left to C, then it can't be subtracted. Likewise, X can be subtracted from L, M and C. X can be subtracted from these symbols. Here I am giving you example of first symbol. If I am writing here L, X can be subtracted from L. If I am writing X left to L, it will be 50 minus 1. As I have told you in rule first also, if I am writing in rule second, if I am writing left any left symbol to any symbol, then it will be minus, and right any symbol, then it will be plus. So XL will be 50 minus 1, 40. Now I am telling you here some numbers how to write in Roman numerals. Here 69. To write in Roman numerals, firstly we have to break the numbers. 69 we can write 60 plus 9. Here you can see 60. 60 we can write LX. Means L is 50. If I will write x right to L, it will be plus 50 plus 10, and if I am writing this x left, it will be 50 minus 10 40, and it will be 50 plus 10 60, and 9 is the symbol of this. Now together this symbol if you will write LX IX will be 69. Likewise 98, 90 plus 8, 90 is this XC, means C is the symbol of 100. If I am writing X to left to C, that will be 90. So, and I have told you in rule also, X can be subtracted from L, M and C. L I have told here example, and C example this. If I am writing X left to C, it will be minus. It will be used for subtraction. 8 is the symbol this. If you will write together this will be 98. 25, 20 plus 5, 20 we can write likewise, and 5 this. Together we will write, then it will be 25. 39, 30 plus 9, 30 symbol is this, 9 symbol is this. If together we will write 39 is this. So students, now your first chapter is completed with this video. Roman numerals was the last concept. Now you will be able to solve all the exercises related to Roman numerals. Worksheet will not be provided to you because now you have to solve all the exercises in your fair notebook. Related to first chapter, there are 3 exercises. All concepts I have told in these videos, which total 4 parts I have told in these. All the concepts are cleared of chapter first. Now easily you can solve all exercises in your fair notebook. Now start all the exercises in your fair notebook. Try to complete first chapter in your fair notebook up to Saturday. In between, if you will face any problem in any question, then you can ask through WhatsApp. Already I have told you my WhatsApp number 9728762265. So you need to solve all the exercises in fair notebook and side by side send to me for checking. And if you face any problem, then you can ask. Up to Saturday, try to complete all the exercises. Then we will start the second chapter. Okay, thank you students. And students, if you face any problem in any question, then you can see all the videos which we have provided in part 4th. Otherwise you can ask also. Okay, thank you students.